Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST. Thank you for making our journey around the nation easy and pleasurable. DEX Technologies. At DEX Technology, we say practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology challenge round a reality. We would like to also say thank you to other sponsors like Ghana Grid Company Limited, GridCo. They provide reliable electricity grid for development. MTN Stakeholders Management, MTN everywhere you go. Nestle Ghana Limited, good food, good life. Our media partner, Kesbin TV, thank you for partnering with us. Your engaging broadcast and commitment to quality have significantly amplified our reach and impact. We deeply appreciate your dedicated support and collaboration. We would like to also say thank you to our head of schools for allowing your schools to participate. To our teachers who prepared the students tirelessly for this contest, we say thank you. We appreciate you. And finally, to our contestants, working hard, studying hard, and being available to be part of this contest, we say thank you and well done for agreeing to participate in this contest. My name is Dr. Amalabi from the Department of Biochemistry and Biotechnology here at KNUST, and I will be your quiz mistress for today. Remember, the Jsmq program is tailor-made to enable them exhibit their understanding of the basic principles underlying the life and physical sciences. It is expected to make science and mathematics friendly and promote teamwork and critical thinking right from the early stages in life. Competing in this contest today, we have Akatiko Practice A Basic School, Ketasco MA Basic, and St. Paul's Anglican Basic School, Agbozome. You are all welcome. And now I would like to know the contestants who are partaking in this contest. Akatiko Practice A Basic School is represented by
Abdulmeti Maunyu or 9.
Muhammad Wasilatu.
Thank you. Ketasco MA Basic School is represented by
Novio Hoshila.
Nyako Benedict.
Thank you. St. Paul's Anglican Basic School, Agbozome, is represented by
Flamaga Beatrice. Achabi Daniela.
Thank you. You are all warmly welcome. Now, I would like to hear the sound from the buzzer. Can I hear the sound from the buzzer from Akatiko Practice A Basic School? Thank you. Ketasco MA Basic School. Thank you. St. Paul's Anglican Basic School. Thank you. There will be 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1 is the fundamentals. Round 2 is fastest finger, fastest brain. Round 3 is science and technology challenge. And round 4 is decoding the clues. Contestants, I will be reading the instructions at the beginning of each round. So we are now at round 1, fundamentals. This round consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the other 2 schools to compete for. The score for a bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. Bonus questions are open to the other 2 schools to compete for by ringing a buzzer. Failing to press the buzzer before answering the bonus question nullifies your answer. Thus, no point is scored even if you are right. Best wishes to all schools. Preamble to all schools.
Sodium. It is a metal.
That is correct. Ketasco MA. Jane finds an element in group 2 and period 4 of the periodic table. What is the name of this element? Is it a metal or non-metal?
Carbon, non-metal.
Another attempt, please. Bonus, St. Paul's.
Sodium, metal.
Incorrect. St. Paul's Anglican, your major question. An element is in group 17 or group 7 and period 2. What is the element? Is it a metal or non-metal?
Fluorine, non-metal.
That is correct. Okay. Ketasco MA. Ribosomes are found free in the cytoplasm and attached to a specific organelle. Name this organelle.
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Another attempt.
Rough endoplasmic reticulum.
That is correct. St. Paul's. Apart from the cytoplasm and the rough ER, name another organelle that contains its own ribosomes. Bonus. Akachiko practice. Apart from mitochondria, which other organelle has its own ribosomes?
Chloroplast.
Can you speak loudly? I did not hear you.
Chloroplast.
Chloroplast is correct. A preamble. Sarah is learning about prime numbers. She is asked to find the next prime number greater than the following numbers. St. Paul's Anglican. After the number 179, what is the next prime number Sarah should write down?
181.
That is correct. Akachiko, practice. After the number 191, what is the next prime number Sarah should write down?
193.
That is correct. Ketasco MA. After the number 197, what is the next prime number Sarah should write down?
199.
That is correct. Another preamble. Provide the functions of the following mouse pointer shapes. Akachiko, practice. Busy stroke processing.
Busy is entering the data into the computer, and then the processing is operating the data inputted into the computer.
That is incorrect. Bonus. Ketasco MA. Beam pointer. Beam pointer. Bonus. Akachiko. Go ahead.
It is used to select or enter data into the computer.
Incorrect. St. Paul's. Link select pointer. Link select pointer.
It is used to select links.
I will give it to you. I will give it to you. A preamble to all schools. Take G to be equal to 10 meter per second squared. Ketasco MA. A crane lifts a 500 kilogram load vertically upward 8 meters in 20 minutes. Calculate the output in watts.
$4,000.
Another attempt, please.
$40,000.
Incorrect. Bonus. Akachi.
4,000
Incorrect. St. Paul. Okay, so the correct answer is 33.33 watts, or 100 over 3 watts is the correct answer. St. Paul's Anglican Basic School. An athlete climbs 10-meter stairs in 6 minutes. Her mass is 60 kilogram. Calculate the power she used. Bonus. Yes, Akachi school. Go ahead and answer. Pardon? I did not hear.
600 watts.
Incorrect. The correct answer is 16.67 watts. 16.67 watts. Akachisko, your main question. A pump delivers 1,200 liters of water to a height of 10 meters in 2 minutes. Assuming 1 liter is equal to 1 kilograms, calculate the power.
$2.4 watts.
Another attempt, please.
1.2 watts.
Incorrect. Bonus. The correct answer is 1,000 watts or 1 kilowatts. The following questions are statements. You are to state whether they are true or false. These questions cannot be passed on as bonuses. St. Paul's Anglican. The primary function of a web browser is to edit and design websites.
False.
That is correct. Akachiko practice. A URL is a unique address used to locate a resource on the internet.
True.
That is correct. Ketasco, MA. Bookmarks in a browser allow users to save frequently visited websites for quick access.
True.
That is correct. Akachiko practice. Any number raised to the power 0 is 1.
True.
Incorrect. Keta School, MA. Any number raised to a negative power is equal to the reciprocal of the number raised to the same but positive index.
False.
That is correct. St. Paul's. Any number raised to the power 1 over n is equal to the nth root of that number.
True.
That is correct. On that correct answer, we come to the end of round 1. Before we give the scores, we'll take a quick break and then we'll continue. Hello, welcome back. So, Akachiko, the question that said any number raised to the power 0 is 1. You got the correct answer, which is true. So that marks will be awarded to you. Therefore, at the end of round 1, Akachiko Practice A Basic School has 15 points. Ketasco MA Basic School has 12 points. St. Paul's Anglican Basic School has 15 points. We would still like to acknowledge our sponsors, without whom this contest will not be possible. KNUST, KNUST e-learning, KNUST IDL, Dext Technologies, Gradeco, MTN, Nestle Ghana, Kesbin TV. Thank you for helping this contest become possible. Round 2, fastest brain, fastest finger. Round 2 is the fastest brain, fastest finger. One question will be read out, and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from the question. After the buzzer is pressed, the contestants must answer in 3 seconds. If a school gets the question wrong, the remaining 2 schools get to compete to answer. Each school will have a maximum of 1 attempt to answer the question. A wrong answer in this round attracts a penalty of 1 point. Best wishes to all of you. So we are starting. What should be done to avoid losing important files due to system crashes? Ketasco.
Save it in the cloud.
That is correct. The unit of heredity found on a chromosome that determines specific traits in an organism is Akachiko.
James.
That is correct. A simple substance that cannot be broken down into smaller parts. Akachiko.
Element.
That is correct. What type of dentition is exhibited by humans? Ketasco.
Heterodyne.
That is correct. The instrument used to measure density of liquids is there. The correct answer is hydrometer. Mention 3 modes of the heat transfer. Ketasco.
Convection, conduction, and radiation.
That is correct. Why does the moon have weaker gravity than the earth? Ketasco.
Because it is smaller in mass.
That is correct. A father is 40 years older than his son. In 5 years, he will be twice as old as his son. Determine their present ages. The son is 35 years old and the father is 75 years old. And on that note, we come to the end of round 2. We say thank you to our sponsors, without whom we would not have been able to get this far. At the end of round 2, Akachiko Practice A Basic School has 8 points. Ketasco MA Basic has 16 points. And St. Paul Anglican Basic School has 0 points. So thus far, the total scores is as follows. Akachiko Practice A Basic School has 23 points. Ketasco MA Basic has 28 points. St. Paul's Anglican Basic School has 15 points. We come to round 3, our Science and Technology Challenge. One question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 15 points. Contestants will be given up to 15 minutes to complete the task. Round 3 is powered by the Dext Science set. The round actually is 10 minutes and you are going to be given 10 points. You are provided with a lens labeled L, a screen labeled S, and an RGB light labeled R. Your task: place the lens between the RGB light and the screen. Adjust the position of the lens and screen to get a sharp image of the RGB on the screen. Measure the distance from the RGB to the lens and from the lens to the screen. All measured values should be to the nearest whole number. Use the measured lens to calculate the focal length of the lens. All the best to all schools. You can start work now. Contestants, you have 3 more minutes to go. 3 more minutes to go. Three more minutes to go, contestants. 3 minutes more. Contestants, time is up. Contestants, time is up. We will now check your work and mark it for you. Welcome back, everyone. For the task, contestants, you were able to all do the measurements, but you were not able to give correct answers. What was expected of you is the calculation. Length from screen to lens is actually 6 centimeters or 60 millimeters. The length from the RGB to the lens is 5.5 centimeters or 55 millimeters. So to the nearest whole number will be 60 millimeters or 6 centimeters. And the focal length is 3 centimeters or 30 millimeters plus or minus 2. So because all of you were able to do the experiments but could not give the actual numbers or the values that was required of you, each of you has 5/10. Therefore, the total scores at the end of round 3 is Akachiko Practice A Basic School has 28 points. Ketasco MA Basic has 33 points. St. Paul's Anglican Basic School has 20 points. We continue to thank KNUST e-learning, KNUST IDL, GradeCo, Nestle Ghana, MTN, and also Kesbin TV for their continued support. We appreciate you and we are thankful that you all came on board. Round 4, our final round. This round is called Decoding the Clues. The question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, 6 points. If answered correctly on the second clue, 5 points. On the third clue is 4 points. On the fourth or any other indication is 3 points. Contestants are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering disqualifies you from that question and nullifies your answer even if it is correct. All the best to all schools. We are starting, so pay attention. A protective structure in animals. I'm often referred to as a chamber where a tiny Akachisco.
Cell membrane.
Where a tiny organism grows. I'm found in female animals and serve as a crucial part. Ketasco.
Placenta.
As a crucial part of their reproductive system. My role is to provide an environment for the growth of a new organism. St. Paul.
Womb.
Womb or uterus is the correct answer. The second one. I am an unchanging value. I am in some sense irrational. B. St. Paul.
1.
Ketasco.
Pi.
Pi is the correct answer. Another question. I was invented in the 1960s. I am well known for the light I produce. Ketasco.
Light bulb.
My light is monochromatic and coherent. It has high intensity. St. Paul.
Rainbow.
And low divergence. Because of these properties, It is used in cutters, DVD players, and surgery. Who am I? Akachiko.
Tungsten filament bulb.
Incorrect. The correct answer is laser. Laser is the correct answer. The fourth set of questions. I became a renowned scientist as a result of my groundbreaking work. I was born in Poland and later became a naturalized French citizen. My research included the study of radium and polonium. Akachiko.
Marian Elrama Adi.
Incorrect. And the time is up. The correct answer is Marie Curie. Marie Curie. And on that note, we come to the end of round 4, and thus the end of the competition. We would like to say a big thank you to KNUST, College of Science, College of Engineering, KNUST IDL, KNUST e-learning. We would also like to say thank you to Gridco, MTN, as well as Nestle, Dex Technologies. We cannot forget you. Thank you. We also say thank you to the heads of schools for releasing your students for this competition. Thank you to your hard-working teachers for preparing the candidates for this competition. And contestants, well done. You have done extremely well. It is not easy to stand or sit in front of people to compete. No matter your scores or position, each of you are winners. You have done extremely well. Therefore, at the end of round 4, Akachiko Practice A Basic School had 0 points. Ketasco MA Basic had 4 points. And St. Paul's Anglican Basic had 3 points. Therefore, at the end of this contest, St. Paul's Anglican Basic School had 23 points.